Hello students, today I will explain the topic preparation of phenols. In previous video I have explained the preparation and chemical properties of alcohol. Alcohol means when OH group is substituted through the hydrogen or hydrogen is substituted through the OH group in alkane compound. Clear? Now the topic is, our today topic is preparation of phenol and chemical properties of phenol, and I will explain one by one. The first topic is preparation of phenol. Firstly, we came to know about the phenol. In very first video of this chapter I have explained that phenol is the condition in which OH group is attached at the nucleus of the benzene ring directly. Okay, if it has the condition like this, suppose OH group is attached with CH2 group, it is not the phenol group, it will be aliphatic alcohol. It is clear? For the condition of phenol, it must be necessary that OH group should be attached at that carbon, at the nucleus of the benzene ring. Okay? The first topic is the preparation of phenol is taken by from haloarenes. From haloarenes, it is prepared like when Cl react, chlorobenzene react with NaOH. See the reaction when chlorobenzene react with NaOH. NaOH, as you see, HONa. So NaOH will be break down like this. NaOH will be break down like this, and Cl has the negative charge while benzene ring has the positive charge after the breaking bond. And as you know, Cl के साथ H positive रिलीज हो जाएगा और NaO negative पूरी स्पीसीज बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर अटैच हो जाती है. See in the reaction, there is a reaction. Sodium phenoxide is the compound. Here the compound is given which is known as sodium phenoxide, and after the reaction with HCl, ONa का बॉन्ड फिर से ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा और यहाँ पर O की साइड में H आएगा और Na की साइड में Cl चला जाएगा. That means in the reaction from chlorobenzene we can form phenol by the reaction of this, and we can write this reaction like this, that chlorobenzene can convert into phenol as firstly react with NaOH, and after then second step will go with HCl. You may write this reaction like this. मतलब कोई भी reaction जो एक से ज़्यादा step में आप show करते हैं उन्हें आप इस तरह से first, second, third इस तरह से आप show कर सकते हैं. It is clear? Next, from benzene sulfonic acid we can prepare the phenol. Benzene sulfonic acid is the compound is given in the second reaction. Here oleum is given. Oleum is H2S2O7, or it is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. It is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. What is the meaning of fuming sulfuric acid? That means when H2SO4 is present with SO3. It is clear? The combination of both the compound is H2S2O7, and this is known as oleum. It is clear? Means acid oil. Next, from aniline we can also prepare the phenol like this. When aniline react with NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 degrees Celsius is give benzene diazonium chloride, and after the hydrolysis reaction it can convert into phenol. Okay? The next reaction is, now our next topic is reaction of phenols. Reaction of phenols. Phenol gives various type of reaction. First type of reaction we are studying electrophilic substitution reaction, means ring substitution. We will study ring substitution. जब reaction ring के ऊपर होती है it is electrophilic substitution, और जब reaction इस OH group के ऊपर होगी it will be nucleophilic substitution reaction. Right? First type reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. See, phenol group, OH group is ortho and para directing group. That's why जब भी अब इस OH phenol के ऊपर reaction होगी ऑर्थो और पैरा फॉर्म एक्टिवेट हो जाती हैं. It is clear? These two ortho form and one is para form. It is clear? First point is halogenation. When phenol react with bromine, अब ब्रोमाइन की भी देखिए दो कंडीशन फॉर्म हो रही है. इन एक्सेस अमाउंट इट फॉर्म 2,4,6 ट्राईब्रोमोफिनोल. एक्सप्लोसिव सब्सटेंस इज दिस. And in the another condition, when a small amount is taken here, small means comparatively the first, it gives at orthobromo and parabromophenol. Okay, in next reaction, the second reaction is sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation reaction, when phenol react with concentrated H2SO4, H2SO4 की structure बेटे ऐसे होती है. H2SO4 is written like this. आप इसको देखिए ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं HOSO3H. It is clear? That means OH have negative charge while it has the positive charge. Positive charge containing species are known as electrophile. That's why it is electrophilic substitution. अब ये जो OH नेगेटिव है यहाँ पर ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर जो हाइड्रोजन है ये उसके साथ रिलीज होके क्या बनाएगा, यहाँ वाटर रिलीज करेगा एंड इट विल फॉर्म ऑर्थो hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid and para hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. There is a question कि while naming we have to mention in our mind कि OH और SO3H के बीच में comparatively जो प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है हम SO3H को देते हैं. It is the benzene sulfonic acid. ठीक है, OH की हम यहाँ पोजीशन बताएंगे. It is clear? Next is nitration reaction. As you know already, the nitration reaction, that means when react with HNO3. There are the two conditions with reaction of HNO3. When concentrated HNO3 and dilute HNO3 is reacting here. When concentrated HNO3 reaction is take part, it gives all the three position occupied with NO2 group. It means 2,4,6-trinitrophenol and it is also known as picric acid, and it is a highly explosive and toxic compound. In the other condition, when phenol react with dilute HNO3, it give orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. It is clear? In the next reaction, the special type of reaction is this Riemann-Tiemann reaction and Kolbe reaction. These are the special conditions of phenol and board exam में भी ये बहुत बार आई हुई है. Riemann-Tiemann reaction means firstly we have to know about the target reaction. Means Riemann-Tiemann reaction and Kolbe reaction are the reaction in which phenol converted into salicylic acid or salicylaldehyde. This is the salicylaldehyde and this one is the salicylic acid. It is clear? This one also means phenol के ऊपर अगर CHO group it will be salicylaldehyde and if it contains COOH group मतलब carboxy benzene है तो it will be salicylic acid. Now I will explain one by one. The first Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction is taken by phenol when phenol react with CHCl3 or CCl4. The reaction will go in the same method. In first reaction, when phenol react with CHCl3 in presence of aqueous KOH, firstly OH group will be stabilized by ONA group. After then on the ortho position, on the ortho position C, there is a condition that ONA will form firstly, then hydrogen of ortho position, because ortho and para position are the activate site of the reaction. Ortho position hydrogen will be released with C, Cl, Cl, Cl and H. It is the condition of क्लोरोफॉर्म. HCl रिलीज हो जाएगा यहाँ से, आप खुद से देख रहे हैं. देयर इज अ वैलेंसी विच इज़ फ्री एट द कार्बन एटम एंड इट इज CHCl2 और ये वैलेंसी आपकी जुड़ जाएगी जाके सीधी ONA और ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर आपकी वैलेंसी सीधी चली जाती है CHCl2. सी इन द रिएक्शन, दिस इज द कंडीशन. Clear? When NaOH react with this CHCl2, the condition is formed like this. ONA is already present. CH जो CH Cl2 है उसके साथ में Na रिलीज हो जाएगा एंड इट विल बी रिलीज 2 यूनिट ऑफ NaCl एंड द कंपाउंड इज CHOH एंड इट इज़ ऑलरेडी नॉन कि किसी भी कार्बन पर किसी भी कंडीशन में एक से ज़्यादा OH ग्रुप नहीं होते हैं. इफ़ इट इज़ फाइन देन द कंपाउंड विल बी अनस्टेबल और अनस्टेबिलिटी को हम ब्रैकेट में शो करते हैं जैसे हमने ट्रांजिशन स्टेट को शो किया था. ठीक है, और इस कंडीशन में मॉलिक्यूल स्टेबिलिटी अटेन करने के लिए H2O रिलीज कर देता है लाइक दिस. अब यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि CHO रिमेनिंग है. देन after the reaction with acid, the ONA group convert into acid group and the compound salicylaldehyde will be formed and the reaction with CCl4 go in the same manner. बस आपको क्या यहाँ पर रखना है बेटे कि जब आप रिएक्शन करा रहे हैं ONA आपके पास पहले से ही है, CCl दिस इज़ द Cl4 ऑर्थो हाइड्रोजन के साथ में ये Cl रिलीज हो जाएगा एंड यू विल सी कि इट विल फॉर्म CCl3 और जब ये रिएक्शन करेगा आप CCl3 NaOH के साथ में इट फॉर्म लाइक दिस मीन्स C के साथ में 3 OH ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है. अभी मैंने बोला एक से ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे, ये 3 बन रहे हैं तो यहाँ से क्या होगा वाटर रिलीज हो जाएगा OH एंड H and you will see that there is a condition COOH. It is the formation of salicylic acid. In the next Kolbe reaction will taken in the same way when phenol react with NaOH it gives ONA sodium phenoxide. When it react with CO2 it gives carboxylic acid. Okay, and this carboxylic acid after this reaction the product will be this and this salicylic acid has to be converted in these compounds according to the condition. There are the condition that if the salicylic acid react with phenol it gives phenyl salicylate. Okay, the compound first. If it react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride it give acetyl salicylic acid. And third one which is most important and come again and again in the board exam also, this is the compound when salicylic acid react with CH3OH methyl alcohol group it convert into methyl salicylate and it is also known as oil of wintergreen. ऑयल ऑफ विंटर ग्रीन आप नाम से ही समझ गए होंगे आयोडेक्स को कहते हैं. इट इज़ द कॉमन नेम ऑफ आयोडेक्स. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. व्हेन फिनोल इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड in the presence of strong oxidizing agent it convert into benzoquinone. Next and last reaction is Frisch rearrangement. When phenol react with acetic acid it gives the compound ester and it can be converted change their position like this. It can be converted on the ortho and para position. Now the properties of phenols are completed here. In next video I will explain the topic ether. Okay student, have a nice day.